Huh. So what is this artificial chronic disease? What is artificial chronic disease?
Due to overdose of allopathic medicine.
Yes. So this is a type of chronic disease.
Prolonged use of drugs.
Yes, which is produced by the artificial use or by the prolonged use of the allopathic medicine. The medicines are very violent in nature. The doses are large, ever increasing doses. They have given a lot of example for that, and the vital force is weakened, and it is distracted to very much large degree, which may leads to the death of the person. In order to maintain the life again, it is very difficult to give the proper treatment because the medicines that they have given, they are very much inimical to the life. So there may be either this may causes the dilatation, contraction, relaxation, or induration of the certain parts, or it may causes the total destruction of the body. So this develops the organic alterations or the certain interior or the exterior destruction of the body. So we can say that here the vital energy is affected badly. The vital force is suffered here structurally as well as functionally also. And it is very difficult to restore the health in such situation. So he used the word here hostile assault. That means that the drug substances they have given, they causes a complete destruction and hence it is very difficult to cure it. To explain this, he has again given the example of this Brasseau's method that we have seen previously. So, what is that Brasseau's method?
Ma'am, ते leeches वालं.
Ah, so he uses the leeches. Why? Because the principle is that there is an excessive amount of the vital fluid in the body, and that vital fluid troubling the person, and hence he is using the leeches to suck that excessive vital fluid. But he is not तिथेच ते थांबलेलं नव्हतं. So he makes that patient more debilitate by means of hunger diet. And this procedure was there in the Germany for the many years. No intelligent man can see it anything medical or medically helpful, whereas the real medicine, even if chosen blindly, administered to a patient, may times prove the benefit in the given case of sickness because they may accidentally have been homeopathic to the case. So Dr. Haniman is saying that this procedure is so cruel that even if you are choosing any medicine, instead of using such cruel method, if you are taking any medicine, it may be the similar or it may be the same. ब्लाइंडली जरी तुम्ही कोणती मेडिसिन दिला की तिथे बेलाडोना पाहिजे पण तुम्ही तिथे ब्रायनिया दिलं, if that medicine is really a similar, really a real medicine, even if chosen blindly and administered to the patient, it will prove beneficial. ह्या घाणेरड्या प्रोसेसपेक्षा, या क्रुएल प्रोसेसपेक्षा ती मेडिसिन बरी राहिली. आणि काही वेळा तिथे क्युअर पण होईल बिकॉज देअर मे बी द चान्सेस ऑफ ऍक्सिडेंटल सिमिलॅरिटी टू दॅट ऑफ द डिसीजेस. So instead of using such destructive measure, he said that he take the real medicine. But from venisections, healthy common sense can expect nothing more than certain lessening and shortening of life because of using such venisections, leeches, hunger diet. Patient त्याचा lifespan कमी करतोय. It is a sorrowful and wholly groundless fallacy that most and indeed all diseases depend on local inflammation. So if you are treating that local inflammation there only, it will not spread. If you are taking the real medicine, proper medicine, so instead of taking such violent doses of the above mentioned medicine, so it will not spread. Even for a true local inflammation, the most certain and quickest cure is found in medicines capable of taking away dynamically the arterial irritation upon which the inflammation is based, and this without least cause of fluid and strength. So, if there is a simple inflammation, if you want to cure it very fastly and rapidly, and if you are giving the medicine which will act on that particular area, the medicine which is similar when you are giving on the basis of inflammation, then that medicine will cure it properly without taking your vital fluids, without there is a loss of the vital fluid. Local venesections, even from affected part, only tend to increase, renew inflammation these parts. तुम्ही leeches suppose तिथे use केले किंवा venesection म्हणजे blood जर काढून घेतलं, so it will not cure the inflammation. But instead of that, this will increases the symptoms of the patient. And hence he used the word inappropriate or murderous game म्हटलंय त्यांनी इथे. The murderers to take away many pounds of blood from the veins of inflammatory fever. सरळ त्यांनी word वापरलाय, murderous करताय तुम्ही patientचा. If you are using the venesections or the leeches. Instead of that, you use the few appropriate medicine that could be helpful to regenerate, to recirculate the blood in the artery, giving a quiet blood together with the disease. तुम्ही तिथे help करता आहात. You are increasing the WBCs. Your immunity will increase in a few hours instead of taking the blood. The leeches आणि venesection मध्ये काय होत आहे? There is a loss of fluid and the strength. So it will not helpful for any type of the disease. So instead of that, if you are choosing appropriate medicine, so that will be helpful to increase the immunity of the patient. Such a great loss of blood is evidently irreplaceable, replaceable for remaining the continuance of life, since the organ intended by the Creator for blood making have thereby become so weakened that while they may manufacture the blood in the same quantity, but not again of the same good quality. So एक तर ते हंगर डाएट होतं, लिचेस होते. सो हंगर डाएट दिल्यामुळे काय झालं की प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट पण मिळत नव्हते. बोन मॅरो मध्ये किंवा लिव्हर मध्ये किंवा स्प्लीन मध्ये की जे काही आपल्या याच्यामध्ये आरबीसीज डब्ल्यूबीसीज तयार करतात. सो आफ्टर द सम पिरियड ऑफ टाइम लॉस झाल्यानंतर आपली बॉडी तयार पण करेल. पण आधी जे आपलं वाया गेलेली आहे, जी स्ट्रेंथ आपली गेलेली आहे, ती भरून निघायला खूप वेळ लागणार आहे. अँड हेन्स ही सेड दॅट की इट इज व्हेरी मच इम्पॉसिबल to manufacture that same quality of the blood because immunity तुमची डिक्रीज झालेली आहे, तुम्ही हंगर डाएट वर होते. सो इट इज व्हेरी मच डिफिकल्ट. जे आपल्याला नेचरनी, जे गॉडनी आपल्याला ऑर्गन्स दिलेले आहेत, दे आर हॅव्हिंग अ पर्टिक्युलर फंक्शन्स. सो टू रिजॉईन दॅट फंक्शन्स आफ्टर टेकिंग देअर स्ट्रेंथ, सो इट इज व्हेरी मच डिफिकल्ट. सो सेम क्वालिटी आपलं ऑर्गनची असेल असं हानिमन म्हणतात की होत नसेल आहे. So this weakens our body because of such suction of that vital fluid, and how impossible it is for the imagine the plethora to be produced in such a remarkable rapidity. So to drain it off frequent venesection when yet hour before the pulse of this heated patient was so quiet. ज्या आधी त्या पेशंटची जी पल्स खूप जास्त होती बिकॉज ऑफ द fever or because of the any complaint, तर ती काय होते नंतर because of this venesection किंवा because of these leeches, the pulse became very pale. The rhythm become decreases. जी regular pulse होती पण fast होती, now it became a irregular and slow pulse होऊन जाते. No man, no sick person have ever too much blood or too much strength. असं कधी होतं आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये 5 लिटर ब्लडच्या ऐवजी 6 लिटर ब्लड फ्लो होत आहे. किती लिटर ब्लड आहे आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये? फॉर अ ह्युमन इन द एनी ह्युमन बीइंग, हाऊ मच क्वांटिटी ऑफ ब्लड इज प्रेझेंट और इट शुड प्रेझेंट?
5 liters.
5 लिटर्स. मग तुमच्या बॉडीमध्ये 5.5 किंवा 6 लिटर ब्लड झालं तर यू फील सिकनेस.
No.
No.
नो मॅम.
सो कोरोनाचं इन्फेक्शन होत आहे म्हणजे ब्लड 3 लिटर होत आहे की 10 लिटर होत आहे?
नाही.
नाही, असं काही
तेच.
होत नाहीये. नो मॅन, नो
No.
पर्सन ever became a sick because of the excessive strength. So he said only
Yes.
there, how it is possible there is an infection and the blood increases and that's why you are taking the blood. On the contrary, every sick man lacks the strength. बरोबर आहे?
Yes, ma'am.
तुमची इम्युनिटी लो झालेली आहे. That's why that vital force exciting factor has an opportunity to act on your body because your vital force is deranges. Vital force derange झाला आहे, इम्युनिटी कमी झालेली आहे, and that's why they got the opportunity. म्हणजे तुमची स्ट्रेंथ इथे कमी झाली आहे, वाढलेली नाहीये. On the contrary, every sick man lacks the strength. Otherwise, his vital energy would have prevented the development of disease. जर तुम्हाला surplus energy मिळाली, surplus जर तुम्हाला cells मिळाले असते, according to him, तर आपल्याला diseases झाला नसता. बरोबर आहे ना? Disease का होत आहे? Because of the lower immunity, because there is a derangement of vital force. So if he said that there is excessive amount of the vital fluid, so our body should be prevented from the development of disease. How the diseases are developing now? Thus, it is irrational and this is cruel. Again, पहले त्यांनी murderous हा शब्द वापरला होता for this procedure. Now the second word he used for the cruel method. So this is the irrational and cruel. To add to this weakened patient, a greater indeed the most serious source of debility that can be imagined. जे आपण इमॅजिन पण करू शकत नाही असा सोर्स होता तो पेशंटला त्रास देण्याचा, पेशंटला मारून टाकण्याचा. It is a murderous malpractice, irrational and cruel based on wholly groundless and absurd theory. Instead of taking away his disease, which are ever dynamic, only to the remove a dynamic potencies. तर तो हॅनिमन काय म्हणतात आहे की द ब्रासू जी खेळ खेळत होता, इट इज टोटली इरॅशनल अँड इट इज टोटली क्रुएल. This makes the patient more debilitated. This is a serious source of taking the blood and it is beyond our imagination. It is totally a murderous malpractice. Malpractice means what? What do you mean by malpractice? Malnutrition शब्द ऐकलाय ना तुम्ही?
मॅम
हो.
म्हणजे कमी म्हणजे माल प्रॅक्टिस मीन्स वीकर.
निष्काळजीपणाने मॅम म्हणजे
बरं, अजून?
बेकायदेशीर किंवा निष्काळजी.
हा, बेकायदेशीर. निष्काळजीपणा नाही, बेकायदेशीर होतं ते. मालप्रॅक्टिस होते तिथे, बेकायदेशीर, कारण ते मर्डरच मारतात आहे ना पेशंटला. दिस इज इररॅशनल अँड दिस इज क्रुएल बेस. त्याला काही ग्राउंड नाहीये, त्याला काही बेस नाहीये, काही प्रिन्सिपल नाहीये, ग्राउंडलेस आहे. ऍब्स्कर्ड थेरी. ऍब्स्कर्ड म्हणजे बेसलेस थेरी आहे. इन्स्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग द डिसीज, आपल्याला जो डिसीज तिथे घालवायचा आहे, जो आपल्याला एक्सटिंग्विश करायचा आहे, which is having a dynamic nature, and for that we require the dynamic potencies. Instead of using all such things, he is doing the murder of that patient by taking his vital strength. His principle is totally groundless principle. By such method, he is doing a murder of that person. Instead of giving the dynamic potencies, he is giving the hunger diet. He is giving the inappropriate treatment, irrational treatment to the patient. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this can be added to the Brassus method. ही पण एक footnote तुम्ही Brassus method च्या footnote सोबत add करू शकता. ठीक आहे?
Okay, ma'am.
So this footnote is related to the artificial chronic disease. This artificial chronic disease is developed because of the such violent allopathic medicine, which is a non-healing art, and here the vital force is get destructed. The part of the body is destructed very much badly, and hence it is very difficult to restore the vital force again. In short, the vital force is completely overpowered by such heroic medicine with the large doses. There may be abnormally derangement of the vital force. There may be the structural and the functional changes which are permanent in nature. And this is the hostile assault on the vital force. It is very difficult to restore that vital force harmony and the balance again. And to explain this, he has given the example of the Brassius method. कि how this Brassius, एक minute, huh? To explain this nature, he has given the example of Brassius. So this is again the repetition of the Brassius method. How cruel it is, how murderous game it is, he has explained it in this footnote. Okay, is it clear,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I ask the question then?
Yes, ma'am.
Nuzar, what is chronic disease? Nuzar is here. Aisha, Alisha, sorry. Alisha,
मॅम मी सांगू
सांग.
chronic disease, the onset is imperceptible. It affects the vital force in a peculiar manner. It opposes the vital force and it is not extinguished properly. Extinguished.
Okay. Shivani, Zawalkar, what is artificial chronic disease?
Hello.
Hello.
Deepak, what is artificial chronic disease?
आर्टिफिशियल
Hello.
क्रोनिक डिसीजेस म्हणजे ते मेडिसिन दिल्यानंतर त्या
Hello.
पेशंट मध्ये ॲलोपॅथिक मेडिसिन दिल्यानंतर त्या पेशंट मध्ये येणार विगरस असतात ना ते त्यामुळे.
बर. Anyone else? Pooja Ozarkar?
Ma'am, it is because of malpractice, na? Artificial chronic disease.
Yes, by the non-healing art, that is by the allopathic medicines वापरून जे diseases होतात, they are the artificial chronic diseases.
आणि मॅम जास्त डोस मुळे पण ना.
मग आता हे मी फक्त शॉर्ट मध्ये सांगितलं, मग एक्सप्लेन करताना आपण त्याच्यामध्ये लार्जर डोस, मॅसिव्ह डोसेस असं काही काही लिहू शकतो, एक्झाम्पल्स देऊ शकतो, व्हायटल फोर्सची कंडिशन त्याच्यामध्ये लिहू शकतो आणि ब्रासूसचे एक्झाम्पल लिहू शकतो. पूजा ओझरकर. No. Alisha is also not in the range. Sushant is here. Shivani Zawalkar. Pranjali.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello.
बोल ना, you are audible.
Hello. Can I audible you? Ma'am,
What happened, Shivani? Preeti? Vaishnavi? Sushant? Who will give the answer? Okay, let it be. So today's homework is, please write down the flow chart for the classification of the disease, that is acute disease, chronic disease, with the proper definition. Classify the acute disease and difference between the three types of acute disease. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Classification
Yes, ma'am.
of the disease with the proper definition, with the proper types of acute diseases. And second question is, write down the difference between the three types of acute disease, म्हणजे individual, sporadic आणि epidemic मध्ये तुम्हाला difference लिहायचा आहे. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
And write a short note on artificial chronic disease with Brasu's method. So these are the three questions for this week. The last question is, what are artificial chronic disease? Explain it properly with the reference of the Brasu's method. So आता ह्याच्यामध्ये Brasu's method मतलब this footnote and the previous footnote, you can combine these two and you can write down the answer. Clear?
Okay.
So the
Yes.
whole
Okay.
week is with you, not whole week. Whole week is with you. On next Monday, you can submit. The 3 to 4 days are with you. Prepare your 3 answers and submit it to me. Clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Any query in today's aphorisms from 71 to 74? 71 to 74 plus footnote. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Anyone wants to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what about your examination that we have discussed yesterday?
घ्या ना.
मॅम अर्धा अफोरिझम्स वर घ्या ना.
बरं. And in what कसं घ्यायचं आणि
तुम्ही
तर कसं?
So I will give you questions and you have to submit it me within that particular time. Correct?
चालतंय ma'am.
Okay. So on which day we will conduct the tutorial or your class test? Give me the day and time and date. Today is 7th. On the 12th, on Monday, we will start our session again from 12 October. So on which day you want to take the examination? On Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday? Which day you want?
मॅम तुम्ही सांगा.
नाही तुम्ही सांगा तुमचा अभ्यास कधी होईल. मला काय, मला क्वेश्चन्स फक्त तयार करायचे. यू ओनली टेल मी. मी आताही घेऊ शकते तुमची टेस्ट.
आता
Which day you want Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday?
सगळ्यांना विचारा मॅम.
मी कालच तुम्हाला म्हटलं होतं सगळ्यांना विचारून ठेवा. सगळ्यांशी बोलून घ्या एकदा. का नाही बोलले सगळेजण एकमेकांशी? Okay, I will keep the class test on Monday only. So Monday
Okay.
class test for 20 marks and first 35 aphorisms.
ओके मॅम.
Okay.
20 or 30 marks. जसा माझा क्वेश्चन पेपर निघेल तसं मी तुम्हाला सांगते. Not
हो.
beyond that. Maximum 20, maximum 30, minimum 20.
Okay.
First 35 aphorisms on Monday, 12 October. Clear?
येस मॅम.
Is it clear to all participants? If your network problem is there, please give me the message. Message facility is there on the Zoom app. Okay. So please.
Ma'am.
हाँ.
मॅम ऑर्गेनॉनचे पण जर्नल्स काही लिहायचं आहे का?
नाही अजून तुम्हाला केसेस लागतील ना. केसेस कुठे आहेत तुमच्याकडे?
बर.
Okay, so we will meet on Monday for our class test. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
सकाळीच ना?
हो, सकाळी आपल्याच वेळेवर.
ओके मॅम.
Okay.
हाँ.